Hello kids. Welcome back to Easy Kids channel. Today let's learn ABCs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share Easy Kids channel to all you friend.
R is for. R is for alligator. B is for. B is for bear. C is for. C is for crocodile. D is for. D is for dog. E is for. E is for elephant. F is for. F is for flamingo. G is for. G is for giraffe. H is for. H is for horse. I is for. I is for iguana. J is for. J is for jellyfish. K is for. K is for kangaroo. L is for. L is for lion. M is for. M is for moose. N is for. N is for narwhal. O is for. O is for owl. P is for. P is for pig. Q is for. Q is for quail. R is for. R is for rhinoceros. S is for. S is for snake. T is for. T is for tiger. U is for. U is for unicorn. V is for. V is for vulture. W is for. W is for walrus. X is for. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for. Y is for yak. Z is for. Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching Easy Kids channel. See you next time kids.